Hey guys, how's it going? So, let's talk about Tattoo Chef. So, Tattoo Chef just came out with some big news, and I think the market is really excited about this news, and I think short term this stock will get pumped maybe to like 23, 24, $25, but I don't think it's going to go. I think that it's going to be volatile. So I think, this is what I think is going to happen, right? I think the stock could get pumped back to $24, $25 in the short term, but I don't think it's going to hold that price. I think eventually it's probably going to go back down to $20. It could be wrong. This is pure speculation on my part, and nothing may happen at the end of the day. It may just sit here at $19, $18. It really depends on what the market thinks and market will do. But if retail investors are going to push it up, and if the stock doesn't, once it hits around $24, $25, it's going to be in resistance area. And if it doesn't keep going up, the retail investors that bought in at $17, $18, $19, they're going to start selling off, and the stock is going to go back down again. My opinion. But if the company can show positive execution and continue growth and show that, they're becoming a giant, and they expand to Canada, they expand to Europe, they expand everywhere in the world, then, Tattoo Chef could be a really big winner long term. It just all depends on how popular their product is worldwide. And so we'll see. I mean, according to Jeremy, their products are extremely popular. So, it could be a huge buying opportunity. This stock could go to $50. You're looking at a double up. Just saying. I don't know. At the end of the day, it really all depends on the overall market, what they want to do. But I say best case scenario, this thing's going to $24 in the short term. There's going to be some massive profit taking. It's probably going to crash back down to $20. It's probably going to stabilize around 20, and depending on the overall market condition, it could go back down to $18 in the next 3 months. And the performance of the overall company. So if the company continues to perform well in their earnings report, the stock could gradually move to the upside. But for the short term, I think the stock could go all the way up to $24 in the short term. So this news is pretty big. I like this news. I think it's really good news. And it's good synergy because Tattoo Chef is plant-based food company. I mean, they're a food company, and they just acquired another food company, and it just makes a lot of sense. It just makes a lot of sense for them to acquire this company. Am I bullish on it? I kind of am. It's still, Tattoo Chef is still kind of a speculation stock until they show the market that they are a very successful company, and then the stock could get pumped to the moon. But only time will tell where the market will take it. And I'm telling you guys right now, if Tattoo Chef goes to like $2 billion, $3 billion, $4 billion, $5 billion, it's not because of retail investors. It's because of big money. Retail investors don't have that kind of money to be pushing it up $3 or $4 or $5 billion. A lot of people believe retail investors have it, but I really don't believe so. If it was true, Jeremy could have pushed this thing to GameStop levels. Why not? It has such a tight float, right? 37 million shares. Sorry, a total of 81 million shares. The float is 37 million. If retail investors really controlled the market, and Jeremy and his gang of Kevin and Graham Stephan and all those, they should be able to push this thing to $16 billion just like GameStop, or $13 billion like GameStop. So, at the end of the day, I still don't think that retail investors control it. GameStop is being manipulated by rich people. They want to make GameStop at a $10 billion market cap, and retail investors have no say in it. My opinion only, so take it with a grain of salt. I could be wrong, and the retail investors could push this thing to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 billion dollars in the short term. They could. I don't think so, but anything's possible in the market. Just saying. But I think short term this is a buy. I think it's gonna go higher. I just want to remind you guys that Casper, right? Casper Sleep, they make They make $500 million. They make $500 million a year. They're making $150 million a quarter, and they are valued at $357 million. Tattoo Chef is making, like $148 million in one quarter. That's actually not bad. Are they really making $148 million in one quarter? Or is that annually? I think that's annually. I think this is annually, and there's no quarterly is probably like 40 million, 20 million, maybe. I think. I don't know. Comment down below. Let me know. I don't really follow tattoo chefs too well, so I don't know. But this company is making $148 million a quarter, and it's valued at $357 million. Just saying, right? I'm just pointing out an obvious fact that retail investors don't move this market. This catalyst of this acquisition is a short term for retail investors and day traders to push the stock higher, but it won't last because people will take profit and it will collapse on itself eventually. In my opinion only. This news is good, but there's still the whole execution part of the business. If they can execute properly and their products is popular and a lot of people buy it and their revenues grow like crazy, then yes, this could be a really big winner long term. Short term, I think it's going to get pushed to $24. I think there's going to be some profit taking, and I think the stock's going to fall back to earth. That's just my opinion, not financial advice. Anyways, that is... Oh man, I got like another 30 seconds to go. Yeah, I don't really know what to talk about. But tomorrow, the market is red. So not too much to say about that. Bitcoin is falling in price right now. Litecoin is still green. I'm up. Dogecoin is doing absolutely amazing right now. I mean, like, the Dogecoin community could attempt to pump it. If this $56 billion is any indicator, or if all the Dogecoin investors decide to put, I don't know, $10,000 into Tattoo Chef, then yeah, I think Tattoo Chef can easily be worth like $5, $6, $7 billion in the short term. Anyways, that is it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.